Hello dear friends, here is episode number 6 of 1 Minute Dental Videos. This 1 Minute Dental series is also dedicated to mistakes of marginal preparation. This time we will be discussing mistakes with proximal finish line. When you prep one tooth and adjacent one is intact, there is a big risk of damage. You can protect adjacent tooth with matrix band, but even though there is still risk that you will perforate matrix and you will damage adjacent tooth. In this case, usually we start to work with a burr in vertical orientation. Having this burr vertical, we start to push this burr towards the tooth that we prep, and unfortunately sometimes we will have to use full diameter of the burr. I'm making this U margin now specifically, and you will be able to see it in mirror view. I'll put mirror right now and I will magnify so you will be able to see this U margin. Now we will have to improve situation. In this case, we cannot use thicker burr as it was used for improvement of finish line in cervical area. In this case, there is a big risk. If I will take bigger burr, I will damage adjacent tooth. So in this case, I will have to use thin burr. With a good visual control, I will take the very tip of the burr to the very end of U margin to take this U margin out. It is important to do it in a slow motion mode with a really good visual control, as I mentioned. Another way to improve this situation is to utilize, for example, scalpel blade or curette or enamel chisel. With a scalpel or enamel chisel you can take out this very end of U margin. And option number 3 to remove this U margin is to utilize strip. In this case you can take out this U margin, but also you will open contact in case, for example, when you prep type 1 veneer. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and switch on notifications using this bell. There is a lot of new information coming.